Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So here's an update. We have chickens. Yes, we do. This is their temporary house, and I've already named them. That one is Pancake. This is Rose. That's Darla, and that's Heather. Anyways, looking forward to them giving us some eggs in a few months when they get bigger. And also wanted to switch you over here because I just showed you this yesterday and they did not look like this. So this is, I was trying to stay away from GMO stuff, and I don't think I have any, but these beans are growing awfully fast, man. It's like Frankenfood or something. So anyhow, let me take you outside and show you what's going on out there. That looks like some craziness going on over there, doesn't it?
Where?
This
Crazy is as crazy does. That's what my mom always used to say.
Let me try to get on the other side of the sun here. Ladies and gentlemen, what you are looking at is Mr. Viking about to assemble the Cackle Shack. This is where our hens are going to be. So we were trying to
be in, then I think that we got to put it together first.
We were trying to decide whether it would have been more cost effective for us to buy the materials and put it together, or to buy the materials and put it together. And time-wise, this is probably a lot less time because we don't have to do the cutting and the measuring and all that. So it's just a matter of putting all the pieces together, and hopefully they gave some instructions. Oh, here they are. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Yeah.
But they got them numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Hopefully they have it numbered in the order that you're supposed to put it together. So anyhow, we will get this done and we'll be back.